In Willowmere, a retired oven in the old bakery began telling jokes at dawn, turning flour into laughter. The villagers staged a midnight bake-off, eager to hear the oven roast vanilla with sizzling puns and caramel quips. A curious girl whispered that the oven might be haunted by a great-great-grand chef whose punchlines rose like bread. Each loaf arrived with a glow, and the oven judged texture and timing with a wink, awarding golden crusts to brave experiments. When the oven finally cooled, the town discovered humor tastes as warm as fresh bread, and friendship rose too.